console is here. So first we have to change the theme, because you know dark theme is I mean my choice is dark theme. I know whatever you want, so I just change the mode to the dark, and this is your console. uh, Time to see, actually this is quite Python, your Linux terminal or not. So just type ls. Yeah, this is your images, and mkdir test. Yeah, test folder is there. Type cd test ls. And what about the RAM? You know, this is the main thing in Linux. So each your RAM is 29 GB. It's awesome. And the free DF SH. What about the overall is 24/7? You're free, and 247 is your U date. This is your main part. You know, 151 and 74 is 171 terabyte is now using your. This is the awesome. I mean, your file, all the things you can see there, and how you get the console here. This is the first, you know, um, the link has been there. You can go with the two links, the labs. After login, you can go with this link, and after hitting the link, you can go with your login system. So all the things what I want to share with you. This is your first GPU, free 30 GB server. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.